Nuapada district is a severe drought-prone district due to very low intensity of rainfall. Kharkhara Nala in Nuapada district of Odisha is a tributary of Junk River have been rejuvenated by conservation of water through series of check dams. Water conservation has been made in the dry area of 8 villages under the scheme of NAFCC. The vulnerable dwellers of 8 villages have been motivated for cash cropping pattern to earn more and to reduce the migration under the project National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change. Efficient use of water has been practiced in the area because of water conservation, and about 200 hectares of land are being implemented as the command area development. Because of micro-irrigation system and efficient use of water, more adaptation under horticulture and cash crops has been made. Due to implementation of solar pumps and to irrigate the command area, the pollution effect of diesel and kerosene pumps has been reduced. Migration of farmers has been reduced because of water availability in the stream. There is an interesting effect on groundwater recharge. The water level in the open well was much below 10-meter depth during 2018. Now its depth become 3.3 meter from ground level. Above all, farmers are adapting the sustainable livelihood through agriculture value addition practices and with the help of farmers producers organization as well as Pani Panchayat after sensitization of capacity building activities. This project aims to reduce climate change induced vulnerability and enhance resilience for traditional livelihood in Nuapada district by restoring, rejuvenating and reviving a hill stream in Junk River basin through construction of check dam and management of runoff and promotion of plantation, water conservation, crop diversification, fishery activity, capacity building, solar-induced drip irrigation with special focus on building community-based institutions.